going on, viewers? Welcome to another video. Today I'm here in Lakeland, Florida at one of my favorite lakes. I've caught plenty of monster bass and monster fish on this lake. It just got done storming and I got a little bit of live earthworms. So let's get them in the water and see what we can catch. Always remember, when you're walking up to the lake, you want to stay low and try not to spook the fish when you first get there. If they don't know that you're there, you got a way better chance. So let's get to the fishing action. Make sure you guys stay tuned. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get down before we get too close to the water. You always want to kind of kneel down. It's also a little overcast, which is going to work in my favor. All right. When you're here at the lake trying to get after some bass on the bank, it's very important that you don't wear any bright clothes. They can see that white or orange, the neon, so you kind of want to stick with the dark colors, the black, the camos, the greens, and also remember to stay low. That's the key. If they see you coming, you're going to spook them, and it's going to make the chances of you catching a fish twice as hard. So let's see what we can get into, guys. Stay tuned. There's a fish. Fish on, guys. All right. There he is. Nice. Nice panfish. Nice bluegill. Check that out, guys. All right. Right here in Lakeland, Florida. Right off of I-4. You can hear the cars in the background. This lake is stock loaded with fish, man. All right, let me get this guy off the hook so you guys can get a better look at him. He's got some beautiful colors. All right, guys, check that out. That's a pretty fish. Nice red tail. All right, turn this way so you guys can get a better look. All right. That is a nice fish. Thank you, buddy. All right, you get to go home. All right, let's see what else we could catch. Stay tuned, guys. If you like this content, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Help out the channel. All right. There's a fish. Fish on, guys. What we got here? All right. There it is. Another nice bluegill. All right. Not as big as the last one, but similar. Kind of close. All right, everyone, let's get this guy back in the water. Let him get bigger. We'll come catch him here in the fall. Good fish. All right. All right, guys, I'm gonna try this way now. See if we can land something out this way. Caught a couple nice bluegill, but I am looking for Mr. Bass. Stay tuned, guys. That's a fish. Fish on. Stay tuned, guys. All right, there's Mr. Bass. Let's get him up here. All right, guys. Caught this nice bass. All right, there's a fish, guys. Fish on. All right. All right, and I got my bait still. Nice, another nice panfish. I mean, it's non-stop action, guys. I mean, non-stop. Every time I get a bait in the water, I mean, it doesn't take nothing but a couple seconds and they're on it. All right, get this. Put these spikes down. Let's put these spikes down. Make sure you don't get spiked. All right. Another nice bluegill. That's about four fish in about 30 minutes, 20-30 minutes, which I think that's pretty good. What I think it is the storm's got the fish all riled up right now. All right. Let's see if we could get some more. All right, guys, that does it for today's video. We did pretty good here on the lake. I caught 3 bluegill and 1 bass, but the lightning's starting to strike, so it's time to get out of here. If you guys want to see more fishing action here in Florida, different species, and learn some nice hot spots where you can go and catch a fish, be sure you stay tuned to the Fish On Outdoors channel. Hit that like and subscribe button and even turn on your notifications. I have a video coming this weekend. We're going to be hitting Tampa Bay.